3D animated elements, no design skills, free tools, and 5 words of typing. This is the AI workflow nobody is talking about. In this video, I'm going to show you a 3-step system. First, we'll train a custom ChatGPT that will write prompts for us. Then we'll use Nano Banana 2 in Google Flow to generate stunning 3D images for free. And finally, we'll convert them into smooth animated videos using Veo 3.1. And at the end, I'll show you how to remove the background in CapCut so these elements will be ready to drop into any project. Let's get into it. In step number 1, we are going to use ChatGPT to create our own assistant who will work for us. We will train it in such a way that we can simply tell it to make a Bitcoin, make a camera, or make an alarm clock. That is all we will need to write. Once we send it, the assistant will generate a full prompt for us. This is how we are going to train it, so watch the video carefully. You will understand right away how to set this up. Now let's type here. I will provide you with a prompt now. You need to understand it thoroughly, and then, whenever I send you any elements or images, you must generate a prompt for me. The prompt I provide is for your reference, but make sure the prompts you create are based on the specific names of elements or images I give you. Do not just copy the reference prompt exactly. I have made it clear that I'm providing a reference so it understands the style. Whenever I give the name of an element, like a camera, water bottle, or alarm clock, I will only provide 2 to 4 words and it will generate a full prompt accordingly. This means I'll only write 5 or 6 words and we will get the full result. Now I will paste the reference prompt here. This is the one you can find in the description. Okay, so it understands now, but we need to train it a little more. We are also going to ask it for video prompts. This means we will just provide one topic, mentioning what we need, and it will generate prompts for both the image and the video. We need this because we are going to convert these into 3D elements in the video later. So let's write this here. Okay, you understand how to provide prompts for images, but whenever I ask for an image generation prompt, you must also provide a video prompt. I will give you a reference prompt so you know exactly what the video prompt should look like. Now let me paste my sample prompt. Our assistant is finally ready. We have prepared it, and now you don't have to do the heavy lifting. You just need to type a few short words. For example, I just write make alarm clock and hit send. That is all you have to do. Whether it's an alarm clock maker, stopwatch maker, camera maker, computer maker, or phone maker, you just write that much and look. The image prompt is ready and the video prompt is ready too. Now, what's next? That completes our step number 1. In step number 2, we are going to use Google Nano Banana 2. Search for Google Flow. Click on Create with Flow and sign in with your Google account. Now click on Create Project. Make sure Nano Banana 2 is selected and the aspect ratio is set to 16:9. Choose the number of generations you want. Now let's copy the image prompt and paste it here. Oops, it created a digital clock. That happened because we included phrases in the image prompt like modern alarm clock, digital interface, showing time digits, and display panel. Let's fix this by asking ChatGPT for an analog alarm clock instead. Let me do that quickly.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's done. This time, I got the exact result I wanted. I forgot to record that part, but I did some quick fixes on this one. There was an extra needle in the clock, so I asked Nano Banana 2 to remove it. You can fix things like that easily too. Now, let's download it. The best part is that you can download it for free in up to 2K quality. Let's move on to step 3, which is converting this image into a video. Upload the image we just downloaded and paste the video prompt. We don't even have to switch to another website, just select video mode right here. The Veo 3.1 model has 3 modes: fast, quality, and light. Quality mode requires 200 credits, light requires 20 credits, and fast requires 40 credits for 2 video generations. We get 150 AI credits that refresh daily, so use them accordingly. I'll go with fast mode. Let's see what it created. This one is good, but if you notice, the back is exactly the same as the front. Let's watch our second generation. This one looks so premium and the back is perfect. Let's download this video. You can download it in 720p for free, but you will need to upgrade if you want to download it in a higher quality. Next, I asked ChatGPT to give me image and video prompts for a brain. I repeated the same steps, generating the images first. One thing I want to mention here is that I initially created the images using Nano Banana 2. I generated these 2 images with it, but I wasn't quite happy with them, so I switched to Nano Banana Pro. The results I got from the Pro model are superb. My advice is to always try regenerating your results if you don't get what you want on the first attempt. You should also switch between models to see how each one performs. After that, I downloaded the best version and converted it into a video. For this, I used the VAO 3.1 quality mode, which used 100 of my credits for the video generation. Now, let me quickly show you how to remove this green screen. You can do this in any video editing software. I'm using CapCut. First, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Next, crop the video so we can get rid of the VAO watermark. Now, under the video section, go to remove background, scroll down, enable the Chroma Key, pick the green color with the color picker, and then adjust the intensity. You can also animate the element by adding keyframes according to your preference. If you like, I can show you how to do that in another video, as I don't want this one to get too long. If you want to generate these motion graphics in the highest quality possible, I highly recommend using OpenArt. It is a fantastic all-in-one platform where you can access all the top AI video and image generators in one single place. It really makes the whole process much smoother. I have provided the website link and all the prompts in the description below. Now you're all set to go and make your own videos. If you run into any problems or have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful at all, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. A lot of hard work went into making this tutorial, and your support really helps.